Lorenzo Martinez Tañada Sr. was a Filipino statesman, lawyer, human rights defender, and national athlete. He was often referred to as the grand old man of Philippine politics and referred to by many Filipinos as Katani. Tañada was born in Gumaca, Quezon on August 10, 1898. He was the son of Vicente Tañada, the last gobernadorcillo of Gumaca under the Spanish colonial government, and Anastasia Martinez Tañada. Tañada, then an elementary student, joined the protest against his school's American principal. The protest was prompted by the principal's order for school children to stay during weekends to build a playground, which prevented them from going home to their parents. The principal was shocked to see he was one of the complainants. He considered this to be his very first rally. In 1915, Tañada moved to the De La Salle College in Manila. He graduated at the top of his class in 1918. As a law student at the University of the Philippines, Tañada participated in the Reserve Officers Training Corps, where he obtained the rank of cadet major. During their Armistice Day celebration, Tañada exhorted his fellow cadets to take their training seriously as they would be called upon to use their skill against the Americans if the country's independence would not be granted. After this speech, the Filipino administrators told him to resign because the Americans might try to punish him. Tañada was also part of the Philippine national team that bagged silver medals in the 1923 and 1925 Far Eastern Championship Games, where he was the goalie. After graduating from the UP College of Law, Tañada topped the 1924 bar exams and obtained a free scholarship to study in the US. In 1928, he earned his Master of Laws from Harvard University, where he became the principal protege of American Supreme Court Justice Felix Frankfurter. Tañada subsequently acquired a doctor in civil law meritissimus from the University of Santo Tomas. Tañada was also a co-founder of the Civil Liberties Union in 1937, together with friend J.B.L. Reyes. When enemy forces marched into Manila in 1942, Tañada did not sit idly by. Along with fellow members of the Civil Liberties Union of the Philippines, he helped form a covert guerrilla and resistance movement known as Free Philippines. The group met secretly, often at Tañada's own house, risking their lives to gather and relay critical military intelligence to active guerrilla units in the field. They also produced, printed, and distributed an underground resistance newspaper to counter enemy propaganda and keep the spirit of independence alive among Filipinos. Because of his clean record, unyielding integrity, and legal brilliance during the dark years of the occupation, Tañada was appointed as the country's chief prosecutor after World War II. Tañada served as the pre-war and first post-war Solicitor General, tasked with monumental collaboration cases against many prominent figures. Tañada was first elected to the Philippine Senate in 1947, placing first among all senatorial candidates. He was subsequently elected to 4 consecutive terms from 1947 to 1971, a total of 24 straight years in the Senate. Tañada was a fierce nationalist, a staunch opponent of the Marcos martial law regime. He marched and led rallies in what became known as the Parliament of the Streets. He bravely faced water cannons and tear gas. Tañada served as the campaign manager of the opposition candidates that ran against Marcos's KBL party in the 1978 parliamentary election.